Welcome to Smith's Lane Estate, where we are showcasing Carlisle Homes' most stunning designs. So come in and see why Carlisle Homes are a cut above the rest. The Rothfield Grand Deluxe Theatre Atrium 54 is designed to impress from the moment you step inside. Carlisle's floor plans are all about flexibility and customization. They design homes that adapt to your changing lifestyle. Whether you need extra bedrooms, expanded storage, or a dedicated study, plans can be tailored to fit your unique requirements. The Rothfield Grand Deluxe Theatre Atrium 54 is a home that redefines luxury living with its grand design and stunning features. This design is an evolution of Carlisle's best-selling Rothbury floor plan, but with even more style and functionality. It is also the first in the Affinity collection to boast a stunning double-height atrium in the rear living space. This atrium floods the interior with natural light, creating an instant wow factor that transforms the heart of the home. Designed for 14 by 32 metre blocks, this home is perfect for families who crave both space and luxury. It boasts 4 flexible living spaces, ideal for entertaining or relaxing. The chef-quality kitchen is a true highlight, offering ample bench space and a large butler's pantry that makes meal prep a breeze. The 4 oversized bedrooms each come with their own walk-in robe and ensuite, offering a private retreat for every family member. There is a private study downstairs, but there is also this very generous study nook upstairs, which create the perfect spots for working or studying from home. Paired with the beautiful new Primavera Hebel facade, makes a stunning impression from the first arrival. The Rothfield Grand Deluxe Theatre Atrium 54 truly has it all, combining stunning design with practical living spaces, and it's a home that truly exceeds every expectation.